where is all my money? Why is this happening? I know I made X amount of money this month and it's not in my bank account. Where is the cash? So in the world of small business, success isn't just about making sales or turning a profit. It's about something far more essential: cash flow. In this journey, every entrepreneur is in. Every single dollar in and out of your business counts. It is the heartbeat of your business. What am I talking about? Cash flow. From managing day-to-day expenses to investing in growth opportunities, cash flow is the lifeblood that fuels your business and your dreams. But why is it so crucial? Join us today as we explore the importance of cash flow and uncover actionable strategies to master this vital aspect of financial management. Whether you're just starting out or striving for sustainable growth, understanding your business cash flow is the key to steering your business towards success. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of cash flow management today, because when it comes to your business, every single penny matters. But if you are new here, thank you so much for checking us out here at Empower to Profit. My name is Katrina. My business partner Cheryl and I run and own Empower to Profit, where we help small business owners put more profit into their pocket. Because if you aren't taking home money for you and your family, what is the point of all of this hard work? So let's jump into how you can get a handle on managing your cash flow. So usually when we start working with a new business owner, they say, why can't I just look at my P&L? Doesn't that tell me everything I need to know? No, not really. Not when we're talking in terms of cash flow and real money that you have available, which is really important information to know when you are running a business. So when we're looking at the P&L, while it is very valuable, you're basically looking at what transactions happened that month, not necessarily what cash actually left your business that month. What does that mean? So when you make a purchase on a credit card, that is captured in that month's P&L, but you're not actually putting real money from your bank account towards that expense until the following month. So that's why looking at your P&L is important, but not necessarily giving you a real picture on what cash is going to be leaving your bank account. I actually had 3 different conversations with 3 different business owners this week about where's all my money, what's going on. I just looked at my P&L and it says I have $8,000, $10,000, $50,000 left in the bank, but when I pull up my bank account, the money is not there. Another situation is when we're talking about an owner's draw. So while you might be actually taking real money out of your bank account to pay yourself, that is not reflected on the P&L either. That's usually reflected on your balance sheet. Another thing that is reflected on your balance sheet and not your profit and loss report is going to be loan payments and credit card payments. Those are not captured on your P&L, but that was real cash that left your bank account. So that's why just looking at your P&L is not enough to know how much money you're going to have left in your bank account at the end of the month. So I went ahead and created this really simple spreadsheet that you guys can go ahead and take a screenshot of and go ahead and plug in your own numbers. So it's a tool that you can use to know in real time or easily predict a rough estimate of how much cash you should have left in your bank account by the end of the month. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so here is where you're going to see a super simple spreadsheet that you should be able to pick up Google Sheets or Excel and go ahead and create this in probably less than 5 minutes. I wanted to make something really easy that lays it out realistically so you can apply it to your business. So this is something that you should be able to sit down, fill in, and get a nice number at the end of working through the numbers. So that being said, you might have to do a little bit of intro work to look up these numbers if you're not used to looking at your monthly budget or P&L or balance sheet or cash flow statement. But once you do this once or twice, it really becomes pretty easy to go ahead and apply so that you'll have a realistic number, or at least a realistic estimate of how much cash is left in your bank account at the end of a month. So if we start at the top here, accounts receivable is where you are going to be capturing how much money is coming into your business. If you have a business where this is predictable, maybe you have like a reoccurring service that you provide to your customers or clients, and you're able to predict how much money will be coming in the 1st or the 15th of the month, or however you collect your money. So in this example, I just put $5,000 to keep it simple. If you need a little bit of working room, you can use this space over here to add all your invoices together. You can pull up an AR report in QuickBooks if that's a software you utilize, or you can use an average of income that you typically get. From there, we're basically going to be filling in money flowing out of our business. So what that looks like is accounts payable. This is something that you are paying to somebody else for either a cost of goods sold or a service that you're going to be purchasing, dollars that you are going to be spending this month on cash leaving your business. So this is going to usually be purchases that you're paying for out of your bank account with a check, an ACH, Zelle, Venmo, something like that. After that is going to be your credit card payments. So you should know how much money is coming out of your bank account to pay your credit card statements for the month coming up. And this is where you're going to go ahead and put that number in. The next is going to be payroll. Payroll is usually a predictable number that you know is coming out of your bank account either weekly, bi-weekly, however you do payroll. This should be a pretty predictable number that you should be able to fill in. Same with sales tax. So sales tax is usually collected the month after services. So by the end of May, I should be able to know how much money I need to be paying in sales tax for the month of June. So this is a number you will know as well and should be able to fill in the spreadsheet. The last one is going to be loan payments. So whether this is a vehicle payment, an equipment payment, a rental payment, whatever your monthly payments are that are predictable, this is going to go in your loan payment. So again, these are just kind of working areas. If you have multiple credit cards, you can fill them in here. Payroll, if they, for some reason, change week to week, you can add those all up and have a monthly number. Same with loans. This is just basically a working space if you need somewhere to get all your information organized. And then you're simply just going to fill in the numbers here. So if I take all of these out, you'll see here the cash left is $5,000 because I had no money leaving my bank account. I am keeping all of the money that I earned. In a perfect world, that would be the goal, right? But we all know as business owners, that's not how it goes. So if we're doing payments that I owe to vendors, things that I know I'm going to have to be paying for this month are going out. Let's just list in there $500. And then credit card payment, let's say I'm going to be paying $1,000. So you're actually going to enter these as minuses because it's cash flowing out. Your payroll, let's say every month I know I have $1,000 in payroll. Sales tax this month, $50. And I have, let's say if you were using this over here, I have a $700 car payment and a $400 car payment. So that's $1,100. So I know at the end of the month, my cash left is going to be $1,350. So this simple, easy, something you can plug and play, go ahead and get an accurate number. So that way you know where your cash is going to be at the end of the month. Something that isn't in this that I would love to add, that we add for all of our clients, but I know most business owners don't, is a line for owner's pay. One, if not our biggest belief here at Empowered to Profit, is we believe in paying the business owner first. Because if you're not taking home any money from your business and you never have, then why are you doing all of this work, right? Why are you running and owning your own business? It probably started because you wanted to make money for you and your family. So What I would recommend doing is adding a line here for owner's pay. So that is a normal, predictable amount of money that is coming out of your bank account every single month. So that's it. I hope that was really simple and easy for you guys and something that you can utilize in your business if you don't already have a cash flow tool. But thank you so much again for joining us today. I hope you guys have a rest of your week. And as always, cheers to profit.